Hello everyone, I'm Inal, General Partner at Tone Ventures, and today I'm gonna share with you small tips and tricks about conversion and retention for games on Telegram. As we all know, retention is the most important number for any type of game, including games on Telegram. And I'll try to give you an overview how different games on Telegram retain their users and convert them from a bot user to mini app user. Let's start with the very basic things. First, when you actually create a bot on Telegram and you add a mini app to the bot, you have a couple small things you should improve in the bot. Usually, it's about the start message. For example, when user clicks the start button in a bot, your bot can reply with a message, and in that message you can also have the button opening the mini app. As you can see on your screen, it actually can be like very attracting picture which invites your players to play immediately. The next thing you can do, you can pin this message to the chat and your users will see a special button on the top of the chat with the bot. It means that users will have more entry points to the mini app. It usually increases the conversion rate from a bot user to mini app user by up to 5%, which is like a really good number. Next thing, very small thing, but this thing works really well. It is about putting a number near the button opening the mini app. For some reason, for many players, it is important to know that they are not the only players playing this game. And for them, it is important to see that hundreds of thousands of users or millions of users basically play the same game. So if you can put it near the button, near the play button, near the open mini app button, it is like a really good practice to put it and to let your users know that many people play this game. Very small tip about other type of buttons, the default button opening the mini app. You should add there any kind of text, but also you should put there an emoji. Even this very small trick, adding an emoji to the button, increases up to 2% the conversion rate from a bot user to mini app user. So use these small tricks to actually increase the conversion rate from a bot user to mini app user. There is another strategy. Some apps, for example, Telegram App Center, uses a special button, a special message, basically referring to a button opening the mini app, as you can see it on your screen right now. It also helps to increase the conversion rate. Many Telegram users, they're not aware of mini apps still. I mean, there are very successful mini apps with hundreds and like millions of users, but many users, they have never used mini apps. So it is better for you to have like more messages, small tricks showing that this is not just a bot. There is a mini app as well. So use these small tips and tricks to actually increase the conversion rate. The next thing, which works really well to increase retention, is to use some like fun pictures, GIFs, etc. Because, for example, Notcoin used like really fun GIFs, and many people were not stopping playing just because of these GIF messages. The Notcoin was sending it to the users and saying, "Hey, you have to play today again because we haven't seen you for a day," or something like that. And it was working. People were having fun. At the end of the day, many people play games just to have fun, just because of joy. So do not forget to entertain your users. It is really important. So as a wrap up of this section, first, pin a message with a button so you'll have additional entry point to the mini app. Second, basically use numbers and emojis on different places in the bot and in the mini app as well. And use pictures and GIFs to entertain your users. Your users should have fun.